Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change WhatsApp profile picture or photo. So to do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, and after that click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. Click on settings, and after that click on your empty picture or your picture if you already have a picture, and after that click on that small edit button. And here you have multiple options. You can generate picture with AI, you can put an avatar, you can use the camera, or you can choose picture from your gallery. So for example, I will choose a picture from my gallery. I will, for example, put this picture. I will try to edit my picture and click on done. And as you can see, I changed my profile picture on my WhatsApp account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.